Folks, well, we made it back up to the lake again. Looking pretty good. The weather is better now, but it has been pretty cold and windy around here. It was nice to get back up and take a look at the lake and see what was going on. I'm gonna confess now that I landed on that lake in an ultralight. One of these days I'll have to show you the video. Now looking back toward the viaduct, or diversion canal, or whatever you want to call this thing, it's not working right now. There's no water coming through there. So I don't know why, but it's not. And there's very little water coming from the creek as well. Now, back to the beach. This was last Wednesday. Henry and I were down there for our regular sunset meeting. Found all this debris still on the beach. Nice to look at, though. You'll notice our hills are pretty nice. Mustard is in bloom. That's the yellow part. The rain has been good. A lot of the Georgia family came in the last few days. It was nice to see everybody. Kim and Eric, Larissa and Joe, and those two beautiful little babies that I'm so in love with. We'll have more video on that later. Not much sun again for the sunsetters, but Boogie didn't care. Wow, we got a little bit of sun here. Now, this is where the birds are. We saw something different at Richfield Island and went to take a closer look. You'll see that all the equipment that used to be on there is gone now. All the oil well production and drilling equipment, all gone. It looks like they even painted the rocks before they left. The birds certainly took over. We have all kinds down there. We've had pelicans, cormorants, seagulls, I don't know what else. Boogie came back to the beach and decided to play with a couple of sticks. This time we're going to use the waves as a substitute for the sun because we just didn't see one. light gives way to dark. And the street lights came on, so it's time for Boogie to go.